Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make baked salmon fish. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you and let's cooking. I have here almost 1 kilo of salmon cut in pieces with the skin and the bones. And we're gonna marinate it. In a bowl, put 3 spoons of olive oil, 2 spoons of lemon juice, 3 mashed garlic cloves, 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of sweet paprika, and a half spoon of black pepper. Mix them well and start marinate our salmon. First, on the tray that we're gonna bake the salmon, add a little bit of our marinated sauce and then start marinate the salmon piece by piece like you see in the video. After you finish, add some chopped potato, onion, and some carrots. And finally add some oregano. Cover the tray with aluminum foil. Then put it on the middle shelf of the oven, turned on from both sides, from the top and the bottom, on 250 degrees of temperature. Leave it for around half an hour. After that, uncover it and leave it for 10 minutes more. Finally, this is our salmon dish. It's a very delicious, healthy dish. You have to try it. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.